Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can design the survey itself. So we are at our account, which is a free account at SurveyMonkey.com, and we want to design a survey. There's a couple of options and a couple of approaches how we can design the survey. We can either go to my survey and create a survey and design it by yourself. You can like copy and paste the survey, start from a scratch, by target the responses, import questions, and start from a template, which we can easily do straight away. But most likely it's locked in if you are a free person, like free user. So this is like a paid template. So first of all you have to upgrade your plan, or easily just starts from scratch. I'll go with the classic one, questionnaire on conversation option. Or another way how you can design the survey of your own is, if you already have your survey created, there is this design option, and once you click on design your survey, you can change certain features. So add columns, add pages, add demographics, and all the things that you actually want to. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.